Welcome to my channel. Why is my Virgin router showing orange light? Quick solution. 1. Check internet service status. First, check if there is an internet outage in your area from Virgin Media. Sometimes the orange light appears due to service issues. 2. Restart the router. Turn off your router, unplug it from the power source, wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. 3. Check cable connections. Make sure the power cable, Ethernet cable, and coax cable are properly connected and not loose. 4. Wait for full boot. After restarting, wait 3 to 5 minutes for the router to fully start. The light may turn white or normal once connected. 5. Check internet cable. Ensure the internet cable coming from the wall socket is properly connected to the router. 6. Move the router to a better location. Keep the router in an open space, away from thick walls or electronic devices that may cause interference. 7. Check for overheating. If the router feels very hot, turn it off for 10 minutes and then restart it again. 8. Reset the router. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds using a pin until the router restarts. 9. Check router settings. Log in to the router admin page and confirm that your internet settings are correct. 10. Contact customer support. If the orange light still stays on, contact Virgin Media support because there may be a line issue. Tip: an orange light usually means no internet connection or limited connectivity, so restarting the router fixes the issue in many cases. Thanks for watching.